You're starving, you're in a hurry, you want to make food, you got places to go and things to see and people to do. Or, I mean, wait, how's it go? You have places to be and things to see, whatever, you know what I mean. You're freaking hungry, you don't have time, you need a big ass plate of food that you want to shovel in your pie hole. I have a solution for you. Stay tuned. Okay, this is one of my super duper easy go-to meals when I'm freaking starving and in a hurry. I'm gonna grab myself a decent sized tater. I happen to have a yellow tater. They're one of my favorites because I like the skin. Wash it, clean it, cut off any icky parts like this stupid thing right here, and then very carefully stab it because we're gonna be steaming it in the microwave and you don't want it to explode and be all gross. Wrap it up in the damp paper towel as to help it steam in the microwave, and then take it over to said microwave. And we're going to be putting this in for 5 minutes. 5 minutes for that decent size tater. It's going to cook. It's going to get all soft. There you go, a baked potato. Make sure you have a hot glove of some sort because hot potato when you take that bad boy out of the microwave. Then I'm going to grab my steamable bag of broccoli because it's one of my favorite veggies. That bad boy's going in for 4.5 minutes. Just so it obviously steams in the microwave. While that is cooking, now we're going to prep the tater. I mean, you can just take a freaking bite out of it as is, but I'm going to add some flavor to this bad boy, so here we go. Chopping it in half, and then basically just cutting it up into smaller bite-sized pieces. More or less so the skin is in bite-sized pieces. This is only the first step of the process. Because once it's all cut up into the bite-sized pieces, now I'm going to smash the shit out of it. Because the flavor I'm going to be adding to it, yeah, I want flavor to be in like every single bite, which is why I'm doing this right here. Then, to add the flavor, I have my nooch, or nutritional yeast, which is good, healthy proteins, B vitamins, and my everything bagel seasoning. The nooch is going to give it a cheesy flavor, and the everything bagel seasoning because duh. Then I have my roasted red pepper hummus. It's my favorite kind of hummus. You can use any kind of hummus, but this is in place of any butter or sour cream. I don't add that to my potato, but I do like flavor, and this just adds a little bit of extra protein. There's some healthy fats in there, whatever, it's my favorite, so I really, really like that hummus on my tater. Now that my broccoli is done steaming, now I could put the broccoli on there as is. The pieces are a little bit bigger, but I like the illusion of more food on my plate, and yum. So bite-sized pieces. I'm just using my clean kitchen shears, cutting it up, and look, see, now there's a lot more food versus the bigger pieces on my plate. Well, now we gotta season this too, so I'm gonna do the same damn thing. I'm using my nooch for the cheesy flavor, and then of course I'm going to use the everything bagel seasoning because yum, and now I have a big ass plate of freaking food and health. And there you have it. You see how easy that is. Look at this ginormous plate of food, not a whole bunch of calories, whole bunch of health going on here. The delicious flavors of the roasted red pepper on top of that potato with the nooch that I sprinkled on there and the everything bagel seasoning. Spice up your food. Your food doesn't have to be boring when you're trying to eat healthy. So I'm going to go shove this in my face, and then if I'm still hungry after eating this whole plate of food, I'm going to have an apple or a peach because peaches are in season and I can't get enough of them lately. So that's it. Enjoy. Let me know what your go-to meals are when you're in a bind or you're in a hurry. And yeah, in the meantime, eat clean, live loud. I will see you in the next video.